Hold on, chat. Hold on. Hang on. Let's do this together, chat. Hold on. I've ordered Cheezy RSA. But I've always responded. Nah, man. Dog. I've been doing this nigga's shit, bro. This nigga, bro. I've been doing this shit. Yeah, dog, you can't agree now. I've been doing your stuff, more dog. I've been doing your stuff, dog. How not? Skizo. Now one not how one not ne. Ngeke mfana ivale mfana ndoda kunini senziwe zakho.
Your boys. Different.
Whoever is doing that on that beat is upamene kwa yena. Yeah, okay, ngomnye wabo Cheezy ngomnye wabo boy, ngomnye wabo mepa, ngomnye wabo. I like it. I think he's one of them. Okay. A lot of artists need polishing now. You know, they have it. I don't know. Except there's this thing I feel like the way Tina Upper Cape Town we look at each shows is the way Eastern Cape is looking at us. Like niggas from there, they probably wanna be here and be part of this vibe, and niggas here and there's but it's never enough when you go. You get what I mean? Let's just create our own thing here along the coast. Once. Let's just create our own thing along the coast, man. Just once, man. Cause at this point I think we have it, man. We have it on our own. Cause what is this, man? What the fuck?
Summer sonke, thanda bonke. Summer sonke, thanda bonke. Summer sonke, thanda bonke. Summer sonke, thanda bonke. Summer sonke.
Sinazo bafethi artist Majida ni mnandi bafethu, ni mnandi Majida. I think we just need more platforms like mine qha bazo sizovela Majida. Ni mnandi Majida. I'm saying ni mnandi qha Majida. That's it. Shout out to Cheezy.